Effective urban lighting is key for city attractiveness, safety, growth, energy savings. Cities grow smart lighting need. NEMA and Zhaga boost efficiency safety. What are NEMA light controls? NEMA controls are consistent. Work with any manufacturer. Involves smart control sensors adjust output per environment needs. The main elements of NEMA light controls consist of sensor technology. NEMA systems use motion, ambient, occupancy sensors, sense movement, analyze light, understand space usage. Communication protocols. NEMA controls use Zigbee, DALI, Bluetooth mesh. Enables smooth communication between luminaires controls. Allows remote management of luminaires. Control strategies, dimming, zoning, scheduling, adaptive algorithms. Boost energy efficiency, ensure safety, visibility via sensor data. Advantages of NEMA light controls. NEMA controls for urban lighting give benefits. Save energy via dynamic adjustments. Boost safety with better visibility. Decrease accidents, crime. Save costs via efficient energy, maintenance, remote management. What are Zhaga microwave sensors? Zhaga microwave sensors are for motion sensing in lighting. Standardized for LEDs. Small, effective, sensitive. Detect via waves versus heat for detection. Work any temperature. Fit LEDs easy. Work with many fixtures. Simple to add. Let you tweak sensitivity, tailor response. Boost energy save via on-off. Combination of NEMA light controls and Zhaga microwave sensors. NEMA controls Zhaga sensors, strong alliance for city lighting. Boosts functionalities in multiple aspects. Sensing precision, urban lighting detects, reacts to occupancy motion. Zhaga and NEMA accurate light tuning based on user activity. Adaptive lighting control. Zhaga grants detailed motion detection. City lighting auto-adjusts based on nearby. NEMA enables adaptive lighting for energy savings, integration and interoperability. NEMA and Zhaga certified via standards. Easy connection, use of lights controls across brands. Easier setup, manage city lighting. Scalability. NEMA and Zhaga scale up easy. Modular design adapts to needs. Enables affordable smart lighting in urban areas. NEMA and Zhaga boosts energy, safety, functionality in urban lighting. Smarter lighting for residents, visitors improves life quality.